What's up guys, you're Slaughter from Visual Model WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to disable the WordPress theme files editor and WordPress plugin files editor. So no one, even with access to our WordPress admin dashboard, can access plugin or theme codes. First thing, navigate to WordPress dashboard, review left sidebar of menus and hover a mouse over the plugins menu and hit the submenu add new plugin. Into the upper right corner of our screen, into search plugins, you're gonna type security, just like this. This is a very famous and important security plugin for your WordPress, okay? So security, auditing, malware scanner, and security handling, okay? So it's a very good plugin to enhance your website security. Click into the activate button. This is gonna redirect you to the plugins list, a list where you can see all of the present plugins on your site. But if you scroll down just a little bit and review the left sidebar of menus once again, you're gonna be able to find the security. Hover a mouse over it and click into the settings, okay? Right here, we're gonna be able to find a couple of options. We're gonna move to hardening, okay? Just like this. Scroll down just a little bit, and we're gonna be able to find a couple of excellent options. And right here, we have the disable plugin and theme editor. Apply. And now, the plugin and theme editors are now disabled. Simple, easy, and very effective, okay? All we have to do now is move to other settings and set up the security in the way that you want. Simple, easy, and very effective. And that is. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I see you tomorrow. All the